Okay, for the first question, we're trying to get the x on its own on the left side. So there's two ways you can get rid of the plus 3 so that it's just x. You can do minus 3 because that's the opposite of plus 3, and you do that on both sides. And then the plus 3 minus 3 will cancel out, and you'll get x equals 12 minus 3 here is 9. So even though you've put the minus 3 on both sides, it's going to cancel out here and we'll only use it on this side. The other way you can think of it, if it's easier, is just that we want to move the plus 3 to the other side, and as soon as you move it across the equal sign, it has to become minus 3 instead. So then you'll get x equals 12 minus 3, which is 9. And the 12 is already on the right side, so it just stays there until we've solved the whole problem. You don't need to know how to write it out both of these ways. Whichever one makes more sense to you is fine. And then for this one, because we have 6 multiplied here, you're going to divide it on both sides, because division is the opposite of multiplication. And then 6 over 6 will cancel out, and you'll get w equals 32 divided by 6, which is actually going to work out to be a fraction because 6 doesn't go into 32. So you'll get 16 over 3. And if you wanted to, you could, if it was a word problem, you would convert that to a decimal. The other way to write it out, if it makes more sense to you, is to get rid of this 6 on the left side. Because it's multiplied here, you can divide it on the other side like this, and you'll get a fraction, which reduces to 16 thirds. If it was 30 over 6, then you would just write 5 because 6 goes into 30. So once again, you don't have to know how to solve them both of these ways. As long as you understand the working out either here or here, that's enough.